अरबाज खान আর তিনি কি বলছেন কলকাতায় এসে কলকাতা में आके पहला फीलिंग्स क्या होता है अरबाज जी?
Calcutta में हमेशा जब भी मैं आया हूँ always feel very good. This is not the first time that I've come to Kolkata and this will not be my last time. Every time I come here मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like I said, I have done a lot of work here. I've got a lot of friends here. You know, some from the film industry itself. I've got a lot of friends here, and the Kolkata is very, very pleasant place to be here. I love the people. I love the atmosphere. I love the food.
Which food you like the most?
I like the sweets mainly, and I like the fish preparations. Yeah. I think Hilsa. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And this time you're coming for a beauty pageant, so you are the judge. So how you do feeling and what you say about the beauty of the Kolkata and Bengal?
Yeah, I think we've always known that Indian women are very beautiful women. And even Bengali women are so beautiful, and and I think beauty is very difficult to define. You know how it's not just an external appearance; it's the confidence, it's your intelligence, it's how you conduct yourself. It also adds to your beauty. So I think that is what beauty pageants also show you. It's not just; it's also how the way you carry yourself, the way you dress up, the way you. There are many ways to beautify your personality. With the way you talk, the good sense of humor, or your knowledge, information, GQ, everything, general knowledge. Yeah. So I think this particular pageant is something that for youngsters brings in a certain amount of confidence, self-esteem, and it teaches them, very early that life may be competitive, but you have to still, it's very competitive, but you can go on and still strive to be facing the world. It's just one small little entry into how you face the world.
Confident.
Yes.
एकदम. और कोलकाता वासी आपको और ज्यादा फिल्मों में देखना चाहते हैं, तो आप तो शायद सेक्शन 108 कर रहे हैं, और क्या है टाइमलाइन में?
So I've got 2 films under my own production that I'm working on. I've got 2 films that are on the way to release. I've got my own chat show which I'm doing the 3rd season, The Invincibles. So there's a couple of things on the plate. I do my little bit of endorsements which are on the way. So things that I'm associated with, some movies also which are going to be in the pipeline.
थैंक यू सो मच. और आप कोलकाता आते रहिए. कैमरा सुब्रत জানার মানস বসাক, নিউজ 18 বাংলা.